Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to share large files with WeTransfer in 2026. If you need to send large videos, high-resolution photos, project files, or important documents that are too big for email attachments, WeTransfer makes it fast and easy. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official WeTransfer website. If you have a WeTransfer account, sign in to access all available features. You can also use the free version to send large files within its size limit. Once you're on the home page, click the *add files * button and select the large files or folders you want to share from your computer. Wait for the files to finish loading before moving to the next step. Now choose how you want to share your files. You can enter the recipient's email address to send the files directly through WeTransfer, or you can select the option to create a transfer link. A transfer link is useful if you want to share the files through messaging apps, social media, or any other platform. If you're sending by email, enter your email address, add an optional message, and click the ** transfer * button. If you're using a transfer link, wait for the upload to finish, then copy the generated link and send it to your recipient. If the upload is slow or fails, check your internet connection, make sure your files are within your account's upload limit, and try using an updated web browser. You can also restart the upload if necessary, and that's how you can share large files with WeTransfer in 2026. It's one of the easiest ways to send large files quickly and securely without worrying about email attachment limits. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more WeTransfer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.